What happened since the start of the year to some of your favorite crypto assets? Well, let's take a look in terms of adoption. This is total address growth on layer one blockchains. You can just see massive growth in Near Protocol. Algorand sitting at 24 million addresses, epic growth. Kronos chain growing almost 200%. Kronos is crypto.com. Hedera, Flow. Just take a look, guys. Some of your favorite assets are on there. We are seeing exponential growth in layer one blockchain adoption. These altcoins are growing massively. The more they grow, the more valuable they are. And so right now we're seeing a divergence in price versus growth, which is normally an opportunity that shrewd long-term investors get to take advantage of. But it is Sunday, so let's talk about meme coins, everyone's favorite topic. The reality is that once the bull market finally returns, no one knows for sure when that will be. Once that happens, meme coins will outperform the market. That's how speculation works. The more bullishness there is around a space, the lowest quality stuff tends to do well. And I'm not saying these assets are low quality, but they are perceived that way. So let's research some of these while they're selling off, while they could be buying opportunities. First up is Doge. We have another billionaire, Mark Cuban, jumping on the Doge bandwagon. Check out how he's proposing using Doge in the Twitter platform. We add an optimistic roll-up to Doge. Everyone puts up one Doge for unlimited posts. If anyone contests the post and humans confirm it's spam, they get the spammer's Doge. Spammer has to post 100x more Doge to prove it's not spam. Doge DAO for the win. What if a DAO is created around Doge, a governance DAO using Doge as voting rights? That would be massive. There is so much use cases for these assets. Adoption is just getting started. It's early stage. Good to see another very influential billionaire jumping on the Doge bandwagon. Now let's look at another meme coin, Babydoge, right? Look at what they are doing. This is huge. As of 7 p.m. today, we are burning 4 quadrillion baby Doge. Just so you guys know, there are only 231 quadrillion trading currently in circulating supply that has not been burnt. They're about to burn 2% of the entire circulating supply of baby Doge. The burn wallet already is at like 188 million. It's almost half the supply. The bigger that gets, the more burnt Doge it attracts. It's a black hole. There are a lot of these assets, but you want to find ones like Babydoge that are one, committed to the burn, burning millions of dollars every month in manual burns, but also every transaction, part of it being burnt, part of it being distributed as passive income, amazing tokenomics. The black hole burn wallet is just growing. The bigger it gets, it's a snowball. But Babydoge is a massive community. If you're going to be investing and speculating in some of these highly risky assets, you want to go for the ones with big communities. Check this out yesterday. Babydoge had more tweets on Twitter, more trending than ApeCoin, which just launched a metaverse. And so let's talk about ApeCoin because yes, they did launch a metaverse. It's finally selling off, finally giving people an entry point on red. But this is what's going on with ApeCoin. It is so huge if you actually take a second to think about it. We're sorry for turning off the lights on Ethereum for a while. It seems abundantly clear that ApeCoin will need to migrate to its own chain in order to properly scale. We'd like to encourage the DAO to start thinking in this direction. So ApeCoin is about to become a layer one solution. Its community is massive. There's so much money behind it. They just earned $200 million in revenue just from selling the digital land in the metaverse. If they become a layer one blockchain competing with the rest, it is very valuable long term. It's one to consider on deep red, guys. Here's another hyper deflationary asset similar to Babydoge with a massive community. 20 billion Shiba Inu tokens burnt in 1 week. I've talked about the burn portal. Whenever anyone submits SHIB to the burn portal, removing its supply forever, in return you get burnt SHIB tokens. Those give you passive income. Right now people are earning 9% on their burnt SHIB tokens because a portion of every SHIB token that is submitted to the burn portal is distributed as passive income. It's really complicated, but again, we're seeing adoption. We're seeing the SHIB circulating supply decline. We'll stay on top of this market.